Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, maybe ChatGPT, we don't know yet. We might just use one of my emails. But anyway, we'll figure that out later on. So the reason that we promote this product is because 80% recurring income, guys. So even if you don't use this method to promote it like I've been doing, it's a good product to promote because of how amazing the affiliate program is, right guys? So if you guys are interested in any of that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, I want to just admit something. I know I haven't been making videos lately, and that's simply because I haven't been at my computer to create the videos. Some real life stuff's been happening, and it's kind of kept me away from my domain, so to speak. So yeah, I'm trying to get back. I just got back in last night, and I'm trying to get back into the swing of things here. So I might just kind of forget something or something. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, we're gonna continue on what we were doing. And first and foremost, what I want to do is look at results here. I have not sent the email since last week, maybe somewhere around here. So it makes sense that I haven't gotten any sales. But we're gonna refresh the page to make sure. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine and makes sense, honestly, because I just haven't been doing this. So, by the way, guys, if I haven't made that's one thing you can see. If I haven't made a video about it, I didn't do it. You know what I mean? Because I'll make a video before I do it. I like to catch it on stream so you guys can see what I'm doing and see what I'm eating, stuff like that. But anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get you your links for this program, okay, guys? And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm doing to make all this money. See, I made about $7,000 doing this so far. So this works. It does work. But I gotta show you guys exactly what to do. So anyway, guys, what you want to do, you want to get your links, and this is the link I've been using that works for me. I tried a few links. This is the one that got the sale first, so I just stuck to it. You know what I mean? So use any link you want, but first and foremost, we want to get you your links. You go to my descriptions, you're gonna see step 1, step 2. Step 1 gonna have a link. Click on it. It's gonna take you to this page here. Basically, the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, and blah blah blah. Right? Essentially, it's a funnel builder if you guys are interested in the product itself for $25 a month. It's a pretty good product if you want to use it. But yeah, the main reason we're here is because it's an affiliate program where you can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions. As I just said, the funnel builder is $25 per month. 80% of that is $20. You'll get 20 of that $25. The company keeps only 5%. I mean, only $5. I meant to say. So, and with this other product here, this other product is $125, and you get $100 of that. The company only keeps $25. There's a couple of other products in here, but I just want to clarify those two because they're monthly commissions. So you can make $120 off of each person. You get 2 people in the system. You have the system, and that pays for it, and you're making a little change. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, we're gonna click on yes, I want in, and you just put in your basic information here. Type in a bunch of basic information. Like I said, that's HBA, the funnel builder, right? And you get premium. Now, what is premium? If you guys are interested in the product itself, it's basically training on a bunch of websites on how to promote this product, constantly updated over time. Like for example, LinkedIn and blogging wasn't up here at first. Then somebody got successful with it, and they put a course up on how to do it. And the same thing with podcasting. Also, like constantly, this stuff is changing. Like YouTube has changed into shorts. You know what I mean? Making shorts is a good idea. Since shorts came out, the YouTube information will change. Something like that, right? So it's constantly updated. So it's a good product to have to learn how to promote this stuff. And you yeah, and you can promote it for and get $100 off of it, which is real cool. Now the cool thing about this though is that you get this for 2 weeks for free, guys. 2 weeks for free. If you use my link, you'll get it 2 weeks for free. So if you get a sale on it, you keep that money because it acts like you have it, right? Totally fantastic. Anyway, guys, you just complete order, get instant access, blah blah blah. Do all the stuff, get in the system, get your links right. Now you got your links, and now you need to know where to put these links. Now that's when you're gonna go to my video. You're gonna see step 2. It's gonna be my lead gen secrets. It's gonna take you to a page like this, right? Now, what is my lead gen secrets? You can email people once a day. Yeah, you can email once a day. You get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, guys. You can look at these emails and see that they're real people and stuff like that. Got their real information, that their emails, so on and so forth, right? But I don't mess with that at all. I don't want to show you guys that as well, because that'd be kind of invasion of privacy. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're just gonna click on this here. We're gonna select all our leads here. We're gonna just go down, and we're gonna use our next email. What was our last email? So basically, we're just gonna click on the net. Boom, and we're just gonna put that in there. That's one of my emails I've written myself. Very simple email. Gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around the time that people check emails. All right, so you want to go to preview here. Now there's 2 reasons why I want to come to preview. One, check and see if their links work. Link does work, go through successfully. Now the second is to give you guys a chance to copy this email if you guys are interested. So that's the email there. Pretty cool email. They tend to work. My emails in particular, I've been trying to find different ways. So we're gonna try different emails later on, but I've been using my emails lately. But we're gonna get back to using ChatGPT to write emails for you guys. I want to show you guys how to do that. Anyway, you copy the email, boom, 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 send an email, and you're done. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, very quick. All right, guys. So if you guys are interested in, now this is the easiest way to promote the product and get some sales, guys. It's the easiest way to promote the product, get some sales, get it rolling. All right. So people who can't seem to get a sale going, this is a way to make that happen. Start getting sales. All right. Now, next thing you want to do, you want to elevate this. You want to take it to the next level. I say the best way to do that is with shorts. Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. All right. Post on all 3 of these. Make an account. Post on all 3 short that you make. About 15 seconds long. Whatever you want on it. I don't figure out what you want to do with it. What type of topic you want to have. Have links to this. You know, promote this product. Maybe something to do with motivational quotes, success quotes, anything like that should work pretty well. And then have links going to, you know, the all-in-one business here. You do that and you post every day. Eventually something will go viral. You'll get a bunch of sales and you'll be set. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.